How to use Reelshot without watermark. The free version of Reelshot adds a watermark to your videos. This guide shows you how to remove it and create a clean, professional video without the app's logo. First, create and edit your video as you normally would in the free version. When you finish, you'll notice a small Reelshot watermark in the corner. If you want to get rid of it, you'll need to upgrade. Look for an upgrade or pro version button, usually when you try to export the video. Tapping on it will take you to a page that shows the benefits of the premium version. The premium version lets you remove the watermark, use premium filters, and more. Choose a subscription plan like monthly or yearly and confirm your purchase. Once you've upgraded, the watermark will be automatically removed from your new videos. Now you can create clean, professional videos with no watermark. Like and subscribe for more app tutorials.